high-precision CNC form grinding machine features heavy-duty hydrostatic guides, a dual-bore hydrostatic rotary table, an integrated online measurement system, and full closed-loop control, ensuring reliable and accurate gear machining. With the Siemens control system, operators can simply input grinding and dressing parameters to automatically generate rough, semi-finish, and finished grinding programs for both straight and helical cylindrical gears. It handles gears up to 3,000 millimeters in outer diameter, module up to 30, and tooth profile height up to 80. The online measurement system continuously monitors machining errors and automatically corrects the grinding process, supporting key dressing functions like tooth profile crowning, tip relief, and helix crowning. It provides a complete, efficient, and precise one-stop solution for high-end gear production.